California, and eastern Santa Barbara County in Southern California, effective at 7:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time until 1 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and approximately 7:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Storm spotters and meteorologists were tracking a violent tornado moving southwest at 50 to 55 miles per hour. The last confirmed location was approximately 10 miles north of Simi Valley and California State Route 118. Extreme tornado emergency for the Oxnard, Ventura, Simi Valley, and Thousand Oaks area. There's a high risk that you'll not survive without shelter. Hazards: violent tornado on the ground and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impacts: flying debris is within this tornado. Take cover now. The tornado will be near Simi Valley at approximately 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Thousand Oaks at approximately 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Camarillo at approximately 8:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Oxnard at approximately 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And Ventura at approximately 8:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. To repeat, violent, extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to the most interior part of a sturdy building. Avoid windows in a mobile home. Moving vehicle. Move to the most substantial shelter near you, if no such shelter exists. Take cover at a highway ditch by covering yourself and praying that you'll survive. The tornado warning will conclude at 1 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Southern California: Ventura County in Southern California, Western Los Angeles County in Southern California, and eastern Santa Barbara County in Southern California.